Mama, this is why a monster and cat and dogs run away. And this is so cute. Close the door. Hit it one more time. It's look close the door. We sleep out. We read book. Let's close the door. We read book now.
Mm-hmm.
And we recess. We read book. We sleep.
Mm-hmm.
Why we start cold? We go to school.
Mm-hmm.
We wake up and we eat food. We brush our teeth. We go to school.
Mm-hmm.
And
That's a good idea.
we come back. We come back
Mm-hmm.
and home. This is a good idea.
Yeah, it seems fair. I like it. That's an interesting idea. How such ideas come into your mind?
Mama, you yourself.
You do it yourself? Wow, I'm impressed. I am impressed.